Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You have successfully been enrolled for Business English Expressions with Vocabulary.
Next word, get back in or into the swings of things. To get back in or into the swings of things, it means to get used to doing something again after having a break from the activity. After having the break from activity. मतलब काम में ब्रेक लेने के बाद पुनः जोर से काम शुरू करना. That is called get back in the swings or get into the swings of the things. Company shuts down operations for 3 weeks during the holiday season. When I go back to work in January, it's difficult to get back in the swing of the things. मतलब कंपनी ने जब काम बंद कर दिया तो और एक बार 3 महीने के बाद जाने के बाद उसी जोर शोर से मैं काम नहीं कर सका. If you take breaks, just repeat after me. If you take a lot of breaks, you cannot get back in the swing of things. You cannot get back in the swing of things. But if you work continuously, then you can easily get back in the swing of things. यदि आप बिना ब्रेक के काम करते हो तो आप बिल्कुल जोर शोर से काम कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप बार बार ब्रेक लेते हो तो आप जोर शोर से काम नहीं कर सकते हो. I want you to get back in the swing of things. To get back in the swing of things within 2 days, because we have to meet our target. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप फिर से जोर शोर से काम चालू करें क्योंकि हमें टारगेट पूरा करना है. Alright, now we are going to just need more 5 words, and these words will help you a lot to speak in English. So get down to business, it means मुद्दे की बात करना. Get down to business, it means मुद्दे की बात करना. Now that everyone is here, let's get down to business and talk about the proposal. अब जब हर कोई यहाँ है तो चलिए काम पर आते हैं और मुद्दे की बात करते हैं. That is get down to business. See, I don't have much time. Get down to business. मेरे पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास ज्यादा समय नहीं है, इसलिए मुद्दे की बात करो. मेरे पास ज्यादा समय नहीं है, इसलिए मुद्दे की बात करो. That is called get down to business. If you are not getting down to business, I will leave this meeting. All right? If you are not getting down to business, I will leave this meeting. यदि आप मुद्दे की बात नहीं कर रहे हो तो मैं इस मीटिंग को छोड़ के जा रहा हूं. If you are not getting down to business, I am going to leave this meeting. So get down to business, it means मुद्दे की बात कर. Nowadays ministers don't get down to business. They just talk about their senior leaders. आजकल ministers मुद्दे की बात नहीं करते, वो सिर्फ अपने senior leaders के बारे में बताते रहते हैं. That is get down to business. Now get something of the project. Get something of the project means जमीनी धरातल पर प्रोजेक्ट को चालू करना. We are glad that the planning process is over. We are looking forward to getting the project off the ground. मतलब जमीनी धरा पर काम चालू करना. That is get something of the project. We get a lot of promises from the leaders, but nobody gets the projects off the ground. हम बहुत सारे promises leaders से हमें मिलते हैं, लेकिन कोई भी जमीनी धरातल पर काम नहीं करता है. If you want to become a millionaire in Indian market, you need to get your project off the ground. You need to get your project off the ground. यदि आपको इंडियन मार्केट में पैसा कमाना है तो आपको जमीनी धरातल पर आपका काम चालू करना पड़ेगा. Okay? If you want to get ahead in the business, you need to take help of the technology to get your project off the ground. यदि आपको आपका बिजनेस सक्सेसफुली रन करना है, if you want to run your business successfully, you need to get your project off the ground with the help of new technology. यदि आपको आपका बिजनेस अच्छी तरह से रन करना है तो आपको नई टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा लेकर के आपके प्रोजेक्ट को आपको जमीनी धरातल पर लाना होगा. That is get your project off the ground. Now get the ball rolling. What is the meaning of get the ball rolling? Get the ball rolling means to start something. Okay? काम चालू रखना. We need to get the ball rolling on this project. The deadline is in June and it's already April. हमें इस परियोजना का काम चालू रखना है और करते रहना है क्योंकि समय सीमा जून में है और यह पहले से ही अप्रैल आ चुका है. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Do not stop your job. Get the ball rolling. Okay? Do not stop your job. Get the ball rolling. अपना काम मत रोको, काम चालू रखो. That is get the ball rolling. When I was not in the office, my assistant got the ball rolling. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है. When I was not in the office, my assistant got the ball rolling. मैं जब ऑफिस में नहीं था तो मेरे असिस्टेंट ने काम चालू रखा. मैं जब ऑफिस में नहीं था तब मेरे असिस्टेंट ने काम चालू रखा. That is get the ball rolling. When her husband got expired in an accident, Meenakshi got the ball rolling of her company. When her husband got expired in the accident, Meenakshi got the ball rolling of his company. जब मीनाक्षी का हस्बैंड एक्सीडेंट में एक्सपायर हो गया तो मीनाक्षी ने उसके कंपनी का काम चालू रखा. Got the ball rolling. That is काम चालू रखना. Okay, get on the good side of someone. Get on the good side of someone. What is the meaning of it? यदि आपको कोई पसंद करता है इसका मतलब है कि आप उसके दिमाग से सकारात्मक. Get on the good side of someone. It means किसी के दिमाग में अपनी अच्छी छवि तैयार करना. किसी के दिमाग में अपनी अच्छी छवि तैयार करना उसको बोलते हैं be on the good side of someone. मैं हमेशा I always remember my co-workers' birthdays and get them a card or small gift. I like to get on people's good side. मैं मेरे सहकर्मियों के जन्मदिन को याद रखता हूँ और उन्हें एक कार्ड या छोटा उपहार देता हूँ तो जो मुझे लोगों के अच्छे पक्ष में रहना पसंद कर. मतलब मैं यदि उनको अच्छे गिफ्ट लेता हूँ उनको मैं अच्छा लगता हूँ. That is be on the good side of someone. I was always on the good side of my teachers because I used to answer all their questions. मैं मेरे टीचर्स का बहुत चहेता था क्योंकि मैं उनके हर एक प्रश्न के जवाब देता था. Some people are good side of their boss because they give the parties to their boss. कई लोग उनके बॉस के चहेते रहते हैं क्योंकि वे उनके बॉस को पार्टी देते हैं. I do not want to get on the good side of my boss by giving the parties. I can prove myself by my job. मैं मेरे बॉस का चहेता पार्टीज दे करके नहीं बनना चाहता हूं. मैं मेरे टैलेंट से बनना चाहता हूं. That is get on the good side of someone. Nowadays our dear Prime Minister of India is on the good side of all the Indians because of his project everybody got over to corona situation and everybody got safe in this corona pandemic situation. My brother is on the good side of my mom because he always helps her in all the activities. मेरा भाई मेरे मॉम का बहुत चहेता है क्योंकि हर किसी एक्टिविटीज में वो मेरी मॉम को मदद करता है. That is on the good side of someone. My younger daughter is on the good side of me because she always disturbs me and she always reminds me that I have a daughter. मेरी younger daughter मेरे बहुत चहेती है क्योंकि वो मुझे इतना डिस्टर्ब करती है और वो मुझे याद करवाती है कि वो मेरी कोई एक डॉटर है. So that is called on the good side of someone. Everybody's family is on the good side of everybody. मतलब सबकी फैमिली सबके लिए चहेती होती है. That is on the good side of. Today's last word I am going to tell you. And please be ready with the homework tomorrow. Please be ready with the homework tomorrow. Write the sentences of these all words. Write the sentences of these all words. So have one's foot in the door. What is the meaning of it? कि काम करने का मौका पाना. My son just took a low-paying internship position with a large company. He was happy to get his foot in the door at a well-known, respected company. मेरे बेटे ने एक बड़ी कंपनी के साथ कम वेतन वाली इंटर्नशिप की स्थिति ली. वह एक प्रसिद्ध और सम्मानजनक कंपनी में मौका पाकर खुश हो गया. अमिताभ बच्चन got entry in the Bollywood as a singer, as a radio jockey, and he got his foot in the Bollywood's door. And he got his foot in the Bollywood's door, and now he is a superstar. Now he is a superstar. All the fresher candidates, repeat after me everybody. This is going to be a last sentence of today's workshop. So all the fresher candidates want to get their foot in the door of multinational company. It means they just want an entry level job, because once they get an entry level job, they will get a lot of other opportunities. So all the freshers wants to get their foot in the door of multinational companies. When my friend got his foot in the door of a small business, he got a lot of ideas, and now he became the millionaire in the market. If you want to become rich, you need to have your foot in the door of experienced, talented, smart people's management company. Then you will definitely become successful in your life. यदि आपको बहुत ही आमिर बनना है तो आपको सक्सेसफुल और मैनेजमेंट के यहाँ काम करने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. Can you give in this way? I think if you want, my friend got his foot in the door of successful management, so he got success in his life. In this way, friends, today we have talked a lot of words about business English, and we have got to know how to talk to American clients, British clients, and how to use business English expressions in multinational companies and in your offices. I hope these all words will help you to make your present English effective and fluent. So all the best for you all, and and please write the sentences in your notebook and in your diary, so you can have these sentences with you all. So all the best for you, and see you in tomorrow's workshop. In tomorrow's workshop, we are going to learn very important business English expressions with vocabulary. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.